2018 GMC Sierra 4x4. We're going to be doing the front driver's side CB axle on it. So first thing you're going to do is lift and support your vehicle. Get this wheel off. So once you have the wheel removed, what is this? 36 millimeter axle nut there. Then you got a 18 millimeter upper control arm ball joint nut there. 21 millimeter tie rod bolt there. Once you remove all that, go ahead and lead the spindle forward and remove your bolts on the axle itself that go to the front differential. Remove those, slide it out, drop it down, and install a new one. I believe those are 13s or 15s. I'll get that to you right now. Those are 15 millimeter bolts that are holding the axle to the front differential. So this is the old one. As you can see, crack there, cracks there. Built up a grease all around it. That's the new one. So in order to get the clearance to actually remove it, we did have to take the sway bar link bolt off the top of it with the bushing. That way it can get clearance to go back and drop down out the back. And we're gonna reverse the installation procedure, picking it up through here, stick it in through there, coming in around the strut, into the spindle, and then bolt it back up. Should be good to go. The axle's on, job is done.